Hello, today we will understand the difference between permutation and combination. When we talk about permutation, it is about arrangement. When we talk about combination, it is about selection. When we talk about permutation, order matters over there. When we talk about combination, order does not matter. For example, if there are 10 people in a race and if we have to select 3 people from there and give them some sort of prizes, first prize, second prize, third prize. In this case, order matters, that who is getting the first prize, who is getting the second, and who is getting the third prize. But in the same race, if 3 people are selected and they will be promoted to the next step or for the next stage, in that case, we can say order does not matter, that who has been selected as the first one and the second one, right? So if we have to select 3 people and arrange them in the first, second and third, it will be 10p3, which will be 10 into 9 into 8. If we have to select 3 people and send them for the next step, it will be 10c3, which will be 10 into 9 into 8 over 3 into 2 into 1. So this is how we will find out the permutation and combination. Thank you.